ago. I was inside the forest for good 4 weeks. So now the forest.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Greetings from wherever you are watching from. If you are new here, please subscribe, comment and share.
Teachers of creative mind going on
Okay
a
guys,
tour.
welcome back. This is a tour we made last year for this is a tour we made last year at Lufasi Park in Lagos State. Okay, this park is mainly nature park. You can see trees and trees all over. In fact, it's close to nature. It's where you will go and you have fresh breath. Like nothing we will I say confusing you in the air. It's all natural air. In fact, even though there's nothing so like much sightseeing there, but it's all close to nature. I love the whole environment, the atmosphere, so cool, so calm. Like that is where you go and think, like you think, eh? In fact, that's where you go and think like Elon Musk. Okay, all right. This Lufasi Park is a very. We went as a group. You can see that as a school, and the tour was fun. We had a tour. We learned so much. Our tour guide was the best actually. He was able to teach us so many things around. We were able to see some animals that are almost going extinct, right? We saw so many things as well. In fact, the few hours we spent there was, in fact, I can tell you that our lives, our body, there is a change in our body because of these few hours we spent close to nature. No artificial gas, nothing, just nature, just trees and the birds tweeting. You can see a slug here. There's a slug. I was trying to zoom in to get the closest picture, but that is it. So this nature park is very nice. If you really want to where you can go on a picnic with friends. Okay, but let me cut in here. This is Alex. Okay. Anyways, this Alex is a very jealous monkey. Whenever he sees another female, Alex feels like he's trying to snatch the friend down from her. So he's always jealous. Now, then another one. This is civet cat. This civet cat is almost going into extinction, right? We know that the poo from this cat is used to make the most expensive coffee we know. This is a very maybe rare animal or something like that. Okay, we saw so many other animals as well, donkey, horse, and so on. Okay, this when the tour guide was trying to educate the pupils on the monkey and everything. So it was a big fun for everybody, the teachers, the pupils. It was a big fun. We as well. We also met other individuals who are on a tour in the park, right? So if you really okay, as I was saying before, if you really want to think out of your box like Elon Musk, you need to go to any nature park close to you. It helps you. The fresh breath, the fact that when I say the serenity, the peace in the environment, the atmosphere is so welcoming. It's so close to nature. This nature, oh my god. In fact, I felt okay here. So this good. Alex is a very jealous monkey. I don't know what happened. It's especially jealous. The jealousy is especially towards females. So whenever it sees female, it tends to be very aggressive towards the female, whatever. So that was what happened there. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.
I have yeah.
Every Saturday, they are the guys that David do use for his music video shoot titled The Best with Mayor Cool. Okay, we are going to sing a few that on a voice shot wonderful.
Nature. Breathe, breathe.
Yeah, this is the horse. This is the horse.
And the donkey too.
This is the donkey.
No, they're on heels. What?
Mentioning Latin Lufasi, the video, all this gospel, but it's okay now. Go outside the forest for good 2 weeks. To observe the forest, smell it, to feel it, and to listen to the sound of the forest.
As they step down here, so be careful. Step down. Sorry. That's okay. That's okay. And don't speak that vernacular again. Is that clear? There's a little hole there. Be careful. Ooh.
If you really want to show it happy and you know it's a nature park. All right, this is a wonderful animal. Forest bathing means
Is it the same route we are following? Thank you, Jesus. I will deliver for you guys though.
Please, I like how they exercise the baby.
Yeah, no, yeah. Look at them. Hey, yeah.
Mr. Femi, you're not crying.
Tour. Congratulations. Sorry, eh? Congrats, it shows you on a tour. Hey, Igbos. Is that how you cry? Hey, whoa. Hey, whoa. Mister will cry now. That one you hear, bro.
Mr. Femi,
Okay, guys, in this part, after the whole tour, we have to go to the art gallery section. I personally, just want to see their art, their paintings. They are so, in fact, they are so wonderful, so creative. You can see their displays here. It's so fine. So I had to go inside to ask the guy about some things. You can see the name there. Okay, Dan Pencil Gallery of Art. So it's a place you can be. I even got a earring at his shop. Because I love the paintings and everything, so I have to get an earring. I'll put it at the end of the video. It's so fine. It's something that is also close to nature, right? And we know that art is one of the, one of the natural thing. Will I say the first thing God did, right? So this is a wonderful painting from Dan Pencil Gallery of Art at Lufasi Park. It was an interesting tour. The highlight of it was this art I get to see and look at. In fact, I feel like buying everything there. It's so fine, guys. It's so fine. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. If you've come to this end, please subscribe, like, comment. Okay, drop a good comment. Have you been to Lufasi Park before? What was the experience like? Do you like what you saw? Is it okay by you? And all that. And also comment below if you have been to other parks. Let's just talk on it, guys. You can see this painting.
What do you think about
So lovely. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.